I'm gonna tell my kids this was virtual. With the crackers.
The Yeezy 380 dropped to earth this past Saturday and had resale prices going out of this world. There was once a time when we thought that Yeezys were done for. The combination of restocks, overproduction, and oversaturation, it seemed like Kanye and his shoes were hitting a drought in the secondary market. And the numbers don't lie. The last 2 years, average resale for Yeezys has been in a long, steady decline, falling by more than 60% since 2017. But then, out of nowhere, the 380 aliens touched down like E.T., exclusively released through Yeezy Supply. The new silhouette delivered a staggering debut price premium of 150%. Now, this doesn't come as a surprise, seeing that new silhouettes tend to perform well when they first drop. The Wave Runners, the Static V2s, and even the first 350 V2s, they all came out swinging harder than Myles Garrett. Just when we thought that Kanye was down for the count and couldn't keep up his momentum, he comes back and makes us all love him again for his creativity. It's like when you first saw Ye in the Nike Air Yeezys, or caught a glimpse of the Turtle Doves. So shout out to you, Ye, till you beat the 380s to the ground too. Then for the next big drop this weekend, we had the new Cactus Jack Air Force Ones. Seems like good things come in threes, as this marks the third time Trav worked on this shoe and saw it do crazy numbers. Before release day, this shoe was reselling for as high as $1,700. But today, that number has humbly dwindled down to around $600. Far from the highest in the room. Now don't get us wrong though, $600 is still a high resale price. If you look at release week premiums, it's the highest Travis Air Force One to date. But seeing those digits drop fairly quickly has us thinking that maybe, just maybe, some of that cactus magic might be wearing off. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Cactus magic. Sound like some kind of drug. Don't do drugs, kids. Okay? Your body, temple. To the streets! In streetwear news, the merch from Travis Scott's October single, Highest in the Room, is being shipped and received and is now selling on StockX. It hasn't even arrived for some people. We've already sold over 4,000 items across the entire collection, including 1,000 of the olive hoodies at a price premium of nearly 50%. Now, not every item was as hot as that remix though, with some of the t-shirts and hats flipping for right around retail. Now, if this is what comes with a single, what is the next album gonna look like? Are we talking multi-season collection, a runway show, maybe a museum exhibit recounting his musical career a la Virgil Abloh? The possibilities! Now, elsewhere in streetwear, Rimowa collaborated with Supreme for the second time ever last week, following their collaborations with brands like Off-White and Dior. Now, while the luggage was met with some high praise online, the resale numbers tell a much different story. The Spring/Summer 18 Rimowa collection debuted to price premiums of nearly 100%. But this year, premiums are down to just 10%, not that much higher than retail. Now, retails this season were nearly $300 higher, so that might have pushed down premiums. Or maybe spiders and spider webs just aren't that appealing to Supreme buyers. Now, if you're anything like me and Charlotte's Web made you cry when you were younger, this design may be just a tad too traumatizing. Wilbur Templeton to the week ahead! We have ourselves a good old fatal four-way match, people, featuring the biggest brands in sneakers. Hell in a Cell, choke slam through the top of the roof style. Now, Jumpman is coming in hot with two new releases. The highly anticipated Jordan 4 What The and never outdated Jordan 1 Mid-Face Tasm. Next up is the legendary Nike G-Dragon collab and their coveted release of the Air Force One Paranoids. And last but not least is the God-fearing Kanye West with a brand new Yeezy drop. Ye and Adidas are set to release the dazzling Yeezy Boost 500 Stone, so stay locked in and don't miss any of these drops this weekend. Now, as for streetwear, Supreme is doing the fool for their Week 13 drop list. This week consists of plated dumbbells, sports parkas, hoodies, and a restock of many previously released accessories. Now, if you're ready to start your holiday shopping, we've got a comprehensive holiday gift guide to help you find that perfect present for that perfect person. And if you need even more help deciding what to buy, well, let my girl Carly Kloss take it from here.
Hey Market Watch, if you're still looking for a gift, do not worry. I'm still procrastinating my holiday shopping too, but you can go head over to StockX and see my favorite holiday picks for 2019.
Carly's just too good. Y'all better listen to her. Now, last but not least, shout out to this week's Market Watch Comment of the Week winner. It's Born Alone, Die Alone. Look, man, I'm personally glad we got you back on Squad, but we were always unbiased, we've always kept it real, and we will continue to keep it real. Here's some credit for you, keeping it real with us. That's all for this week, y'all. For more StockX market insights, like and subscribe to us here. Follow StockX on Instagram and Twitter, and if you plan to cop any of the heat we speak this weekend, let us know what in the comments below. We'll be sure to show you some love. You better listen to Carly. That lady knows what she's talking about.